Hello foodies! Today I'll show you how to make a very fragrant seafood recipe from the Amalfi coast of Italy using iconic southern Italian products like spaghetti and Amalfi lemons. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 small raw octopus that I have cleaned very well. As you can see here, these are the tentacles. And that's the head which has been cleaned out. Let's boil the octopus. Add some hot water to a pot. Add a bay leaf and just a bit of salt. Then slowly dip the octopus tentacles in the hot water like I am showing you here, and then drop it in. Scare the other octopus as well and then drop it in along with the heads. You need to simmer depending on the weight of the octopus. In this case, it's around 5 to 6 minutes. And then take them out. And cut the tentacles up like I have done here. Here I have some spaghetti from southern Italy. I'll use 250 grams of it for this recipe. I'll also need half diced white onion, 2 diced red chilies, handful of chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, some olive oil, a bit of Parmigiano cheese, and the iconic gorgeous Amalfi lemon from southern Italy. I got so lucky to find this beauty in the UK. Let's grate the lemon and get some rind out. Let's cut the lemon. I'll use half the Amalfi lemon's juice for this recipe. Let's cook the spaghetti. Boil the spaghetti in some salted water for 10 to 12 minutes. Let it cook on the back burner. Put a large pot on the hob. Heat some olive oil. And then add the chilies, onions and garlic into the oil and fry for a minute. Then add the boiled octopus to it along with the Amalfi lemon rind and fry on high heat for a minute. Add a pinch of black pepper and a bit of salt. Mix them in. Squeeze the Amalfi lemon juice into the pot. Mind the pips, don't get in. Stir the pot and then add the parsley leaves and mix them in. Add a bit of the spaghetti water to deglaze the pot. Then add the drained spaghetti into the pot. Mix it in well. Grate some Parmigiano cheese into the spaghetti and our octopus spaghetti is ready. Let's plate up our delicious octopus spaghetti. Sprinkle a bit more Parmigiano on top for a truly delightful seafood meal. Octopus spaghetti is an aromatic, flavorful seafood recipe that uses some of the best products of southern Italy. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell icon for more. Enjoy!